Lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. Many internet marketers have been lured by the promise of huge lead capture pages that can ensure high conversions and a quick influx of sign-ups. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This is a myth that you should bust straight away unless you are willing to pay out cash to make your website a success. There is no secret code that guarantees success with an opt-in lead capture page, and there is no magic bullet that makes your site automatically successful. One thing that you absolutely must do is to understand the basics of lead capture page design. The first and most important rule when it comes to creating a lead capture page is to ensure that it is simple. Many websites try to be too complicated and end up confusing visitors. Even when your site is not as complicated as a rocket scientist, you still want people to be able to understand it. Complexity creates stress, and this is never good for your business. The second most important rule is that you should not be afraid to change your layout and appearance. This is actually very important because if you change your layout too often, you will lose traffic. If you think that your current layout can achieve what you are promising, then think again. It might be time to go for a fresh start. Try and go with the trend, and stick to a layout that has been tried and tested to deliver high conversion rates. Stick to the tried and true. Also, make sure that your content is written properly. You need to entice the reader, and you need to keep them on your site. They want to stay there because you are making something of them. Offer them something new, make them curious, so they will not easily leave. One last thing to remember is to use keywords correctly. Keywords matter in marketing. If you don't use keywords, then you won't be indexed by the search engines. Your site won't get searched, and people won't visit it. Keep in mind that people will be searching for you out there. If they have to look hard to find you, then you are not getting much traffic, and your conversions will suffer. Focus on natural SEO, on what people will be searching for when looking for you. It's a lot more efficient than trying to jam too many keywords into the title. This will not only drive people away, but they will also think you are incompetent at your job. These are just a few ideas. Use them as you see fit. However, do not forget about the ultimate goal here, making money. If you can make money from your lead capture page, you can make money off of it. A good lead capture page will help you market to your prospects. However, you must have traffic first. Then you can start raking in the cash. Once you have a few prospects, you can start selling to them and then sell them to others. And the cycle will keep repeating itself. There is no magic bullet. You can't build something better than you can throw the same old content on it. That won't work. What will work is giving your readers valuable information, and then presenting it in a way that makes it easy for them to follow. Once they follow it, they are much more likely to buy. Here's one tip that will increase your conversions dramatically. Your headline has to compel them to read more. The trick is in the subhead. They have to want to know more. A lot of marketers focus solely on the headlines, and this is a big mistake. People don't care about headlines, all they care about is the reason why they got you to show up in the first place. You may even hear it said often, but your sales letter has to give people a reason to act now. There are many common reasons for people to act now. like getting a loan, buying a new car, or even securing a new job. But what you have to do is give people a particular benefit that they can use to act now. This may be as simple as giving them a link to your website, but you have to make it specific. If you just give them a download offer, you are not going to get very high conversions. So here's another lead capture page tip. It's about making your headlines even more enticing. You have to think about how you can turn your visitors into customers. How can you get them to fill out a survey? Or how can you get them to sign up to receive a free product? There are many ways, but if you learn how to do it properly, you will never lack business. Thanks for watching my video about lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.